Yeah. Shit, gotta stay down, you wanna come on? I got my money right standing up. Lower it down, don't put on the stuff. Food through the town, double I true.
She a freak, and I put a hoe on her knee. Bossed up nigga, got your bitch on me. Parked outside, I was high at a tree. I'm tryna roll out, nigga, and leave. The gangsta bitch shot it, said she from the 3. I give her a pack for the drop and some weed. I'm tryna go up for me and my team. Do back a shoe now, I'm overly geek. Do back a shoe now, I'm overly fried. Fuck out the car, you're right. Bitch, that nigga be scared to die. Why? Cause you know gon' pop it night. And I got shit like Ronald Ride. She fine in hell, tryna dive it. This bitch something like a fucking island. Lil' bird step like kamikaze. Nigga don't swing it way. I ride baby neck, gotta find this shit, won't swing it way. Nigga by pop these bitch won't live. This ain't no laser game. $100 not get my mama crib. I'm tryna say that she a freak, and I put a hoe on her knee. Bossed up nigga, got your bitch on me. Parked outside, I was high at a tree. I'm tryna roll out nigga. She a gang bitch, shot it, said she from the 3. I give her a pack for the drop and some weed. I'm tryna go up for me and my team. Do back a show now, I'm overly geek.
None of you niggas can't fuck with my team. Don't give a fuck about the bitch on the green. It's not gonna see the dead on the scene. We bouncing out with some shit you ain't seen. Sweet nigga, we take him down there. He ain't from here, nigga from around here. My nigga, we all live, we out here. I'm on my head, I'm smackers. Threw back and perk, got me high than weed. I'm in this bitch, ain't hands to the trees. Don't give a fuck about you ones your knees. I tell this big hoe to get on her knees. Me and Lil Dre, we get high off the lead. She ain't fucking the game, tell the little hoe to leave. Been about back to back, man, you niggas ain't me. Man, you niggas ain't be 10 about P. Boy, you ain't sure you just talk on the internet. We poppin' out with some glass, no we internet. I'm poppin' shit out the back, say for the scat. I dump the clip, it ain't done, so I double back. Drinking lean, this right here codeine. Ice on low, I look Chinese. I got thick hoes on they knees. Come and shot like what you need. All the bros got what you need. I got kicked out selling fiends. In the school, I'm making green. Yeah. What? Come on. Niggas not fucking with 3.
Let's get OD, geek, don't give a fuck, I don't wanna see them all. Real life cycle around this bitch, wake up, go get paid every day. Niggas say my name, we send OD shots to his face on. I can't even manage my feelings, she go out with her friends, I'm thinking she on her date. I slide myself on D, none of y'all I gon' tell when it come to that day. My day one man's that switched on me. Every time I think about it, I just wanna cry OD. You know that I still my game forever. Them niggas ain't on my level, I fly to get shit, feet on the pedal. If I go through some shit, then I'm keeping my head up. Keep my head up, nigga.
Come
bitch, we count paper. Tryna hop out the whip and I kill him, he better not run, cause we on that ass. Luda can't cuff no bitch, that ain't my thing, I'd rather just pass. This street trip got me high, it seem like everything moving fast. Everything moving fast.
Yeah, see, like, we like playing with exotic glocks, exotic sticks. You with the shit, Hellcat, SIT, spent some racks on purple jeans. Can't wait to cat off, boy, swear to God, I'ma put that boy to sleep. Yeah, I'm in the spot right now, I spilled the whole paint of the lean.
I be off that zop, I roll it up and I be fucking geek. I be in the street, I work my skill, I do not do no tweets. Always got that fire, you ain't on none, bitch, I clear all the beef. Halloween on, I block up that fire, bitch, I'm like trick or treat.
Uncle used to trap out Motorola, now he up off beams. Come and test it, young nigga, got big 4 Nick tucked in my jeans. We gon' spend that block right now, don't tell the folks what you had seen. We got exotic gloss up in the booth, something like the Stranger Things.
Yeah, I got this free bitch up in this bitch tryna fuck the game. I'm just tryna sip up on this drink and stay my lane. But these niggas got me on my brain, gotta catch a brain, really insane. Keep doing the same thing, can't fucking change. Got my youngest side the county right now, just might have to stab a nigga. They like, how about them fucking jeans, this shit from trapping, nigga. Yeah, my plug test me for the whole damn P. I gotta tax a nigga. Lil' bro, you know you not cut for none of this shit, so don't even pull that trick.
And don't even pull that trick, let's do it. Bro, I ain't doing no drill by hitting down self, you gotta take me with you. Speaking on twin name, I drop that bad, young niggas out to get you. I be with Lil D, he play with Glocks like fucking action figures. Quick to go suit up when shit go left, not just a rapping nigga.
Boy, your trap ain't jumping, you go broke, you right back to a fiend. Putting tabs on nigga gang, no ass little noodle, what that mean? Slanging K's like I'm for Russia, hop out bitch, we all on feet. Hold on, start the beat, nigga. Nigga, it's me.
Yeah, I might do it no ski, roll that camera no see. Quit to put a nigga on TV. Nigga don't believe me? Nigga what? Yeah, real SIT whip, real bad bitch getter. We ain't trippin', you feel me? That way gon' have to step. Y'all wanna get like us, you feel me? Hear me? Hello.
This bitch, nigga.
I got the hoes in you. I got your hoe with a hoe. Fuck on your main by bitch. Young nigga blow by the hoe. Dirty on me, got a kick. Nigga try me like a bitch, I'ma blow up. Now you can't trust none of these bitch. Shot it, fuck around and drop a nigga low. Trap out the best, but I ain't had no father figure. Just want no money, give a fuck what she talking about. After the game, we had sticks at the wall. I'm in that pussy, don't talk about face. If it ain't about the money, I'll talk to you later. Got some beef with some niggas, they ain't tryna be back. I'm packing this heat with a switch, tryna be back. What the fuck is he talking about? This bitch automatic. This bitch in the room, won't fuck on the mattress. I'm high off the strings, I done that man. Lost money and talk about name, just chat. I want that cash, and nigga got back. I be too high, I be tripping, I bad. Nigga went crazy, he gon' need a cash. I like on that joint, fucking with plastic. Me and Lil Noodle run gang like it magic. Dre hold the clip and that bitch like banana. No, I cannot treat it bitch like my mama. I was a young nigga posted on corner. Rich and K, I hit it bitch like Osama. Nothing but real niggas out of my corner. She showed me kitty, I might just go bone. Nah, I ain't blow, but I'm still on the come up. Keep it real, shout it, I love you. She got a nigga, I'm on down. I'm tryna fuck her and going. Nigga been living like on the man. Bitch, you know I'm coming. I'm going flathead screwdriver, bro, we get moved. He tryna cap for a car. Jordan 11, 200. Reebok, nigga, you bum. Mask up, bitch, ass nigga ain't corona. Ain't no Duran, I can't leave without thunder. But let's see, I got the track running. Sport mode, I push the whip to 200. Fuck around, I push the button on something. You gotta drop on your wife and run. I ain't no hoe. Young nigga lit. Go to jail, my dog like a bitch. And I'm down, house with them pics. You gon' run it, bitch, might just get big. Got your hoe tryna suck me. I pay a nigga when I hit. I'm a player, really as it get. Go get Chanel, call me when you feel me. glasses on the fucking floor. Living proof, I'm from where I'm Kodak, but that ain't my folks. One guy, he so smooth, he might just pop out my clear on a hoe. Nigga got me in that mode. Nigga spend it last up on this bitch, ain't got nowhere to go. When it come down to the rapping shit, y'all nigga real like hoes. Nigga think I'm sweet, cause I'm 5'2", I told this big ass pole. Peter Roy, nigga, at this gym phone, make him do the tooks and fuck nigga. So now when this go, I like that nigga, y'all nigga real like hoes. Let me get this ball, y'all niggas. CJ, you a bitch. And C5, we ain't gon' speak on your scary ass. Fuck down with that switch up, but I don't never think I'ma sweetly pass. I tell my twin, you do that shit, you know I'm coming with you. Ain't people a lot of shit till I crop them niggas out my picture. Just young ass nigga, I was doing my thing, and I had failed the victim. I'm a smart ass nigga, but then you my brain, so I had failed the system. The system told me chill, the school, the prison, pipeline, this shit is real. I just want $1 million, put my bros on, get us up out of here. J5, he gon' do it, the bitch ain't play it cool and play his role. I can't fuck with no bummy bitch, ain't get no pay, no bro exposed. Expose the hoe, the bitch can't even suck no dick, but claiming she want her toes done. On the E-way, I be pushing it, them did a whole honey. I'm with the bro, you know going on, we out here fucking head, honey. Man, y'all nigga know what the fuck going on, though. Y'all nigga run this shit.
Look at the Samaritans pulling through. Real good Samaritans. Real good Samaritans on the hood.